Hi guys, in today's class I'm going to show you how to draft flounce, which you can use to design your top, your dress or your skirt. This is my pattern paper, so I'm going to start by finding the midpoint of this paper now. Please guys, help me to share this video to make it go viral, and leave a comment down below for me to know if you are gaining one or two things from my videos. So now from the center of my paper, I'm going to measure 2 inches around for me to create small circle at the middle. That will serve as a guide for me to create my flounce. So after measuring 2 inches around from the center, I'm going to connect to form small circle. So from this circle now, I'm going to determine the length of my flounce, which is 4 inches. So that is what I'm measuring all around the circle, as you are seeing me doing. So I'm going to connect just like this to the first point. Just connect it like this. And make sure you get your measurements right before connecting. So I'm going to continue measuring that 4 inches, which is the length of my flounce, this way. Four inches, 4 inches, 4 inches. If you are making yours, please make sure you get enough paper. I've exhausted my paper, so I'll continue connecting all the points that I measured out till I reach the end of my point. Now that I'm done connecting, I'm going to end it here and start cutting it out. Just watch the way I'm cutting it. So guys, after cutting, this is what I have. Look how beautiful the flounce is. Look how beautiful it is. Here's the end of this tutorial today, guys. If this video is helpful to you guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertinent to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Latest to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.